all you want to know on how to use the National Fuel Pass. It's easy and efficient. Let's get started. As a first-time user, visit the Fuel Quota Management portal available on fuelpass.gov.lk. Click Register. Now enter your NIC number and the mobile number. You can also use your passport number or the business registration number if you are unable to provide your NIC. Once you provide your mobile number, you will receive an OTP to the given mobile number for verification purposes. Now enter the OTP number and click Verify. Then add your first name, last name as well as your address. Click Next to continue. And now provide your vehicle details by adding your vehicle number, vehicle type, chassis number and also fuel type. Once you're done, don't forget to provide your consent to the terms and conditions by ticking this box. To continue, press the register button and your QR code will be displayed on the screen. As your registration is now successful, your eligible fuel quota and the remaining balance will also be visible here along with the date of quota expiry. It is important to know that the QR displayed here is uniquely assigned to your vehicle and you should present this QR to the fuel station when obtaining the service. Therefore, click Download QR to have it as an image file. If you're a smartphone user, you can take a screenshot of the original QR and present it at the fuel station. If you're a non-smartphone user, you may take a printout and present it to the fuel station. If you have visited the web portal through a PC and wish to get the QR directly to your mobile, click the Send QR to my mobile option. Don't forget to check your fuel quota balance, type fuel space BAL space your vehicle number and send it to 0766 2200